it's Jackie! And today's video is going to be this no makeup look. I love that it's called a no makeup. It's like, is it no makeup or is it makeup? I'm so confused. But anyways, yeah, I show you how I get my no makeup look. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so today I'm going to do a no makeup look. I just watched a video that Stephanie Toms did with her no makeup, and I was like, ooh, I want to try that. So I tried it the other day and I really liked it, so I thought I would film my no makeup for you. So yeah, I've already put moisturizer on my face, and now I'm going to go in with some soothing aloe vera gel, because this just, with my eczema and everything, this just really locks in the moisture that my face needs so desperately, and my face loves it. It's just a sunburn soothing aloe vera gel. I mean, it's not any specific kind, but it works on me pretty well. So there's that. Yay. Now, because it is a no makeup, I like to use my brow powder. I really want to get a small brow powder so I don't have to whip this out all the time when I want to use brow powder. So we will do a lot, and I will grab my little spoolie angled brush by the Color Workshop. It's a brow brush. And I will go into the taupe color and just rake that through my brows, just to kind of fill them in a little bit. Nothing dramatic, just very natural looking. It was so nice yesterday. It was like 70, but it was windy. But 70. Didn't need a jacket or anything. It was beautiful. That's the kind of weather I am looking forward to. Nice weather. Ready to break out the t-shirts. Not long sleeve, short sleeve. There is that. Dropping everything today. So there is the brows. Now we go on to the face. And I start off with a little concealer under the eyes. I'm using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind because it's not as thick or as light. The shade isn't as light as my E.L.F. So I thought this would work better for no makeup. Do it almost in my eyeball. Wow, that could have been bad. And then I take my little damp Ulta Beauty sponge I got right here. I like to use the older one. I don't know why I use my old one to do these types of no makeup. Elbow. Okay, now I take the E.L.F. and I just kind of do the cheeks a little bit where, you know, that redness is. A little on the chin. We do a little on the forehead as well. Kind of do around the outside of the face. And then we just kind of blend it all in together to make it look like it is my skin. And yes, even though I know this E.L.F. concealer is a little lighter, we will fix this up with contour stick. Okay, now we're going to take this. This is a Wet n Wild contour stick. It's a cream contour. We're going to go down here, around here, around here, down here, and down here. And I'm going to take this. This is a, what is it? It's a crown brush, angled blush, but I'm not using it for that, obviously. I'm using it to blend out this contour. To keep everything creamy if I can. I do not have a cream blush though, so that will be one thing I have to use powder. Just looks more natural when you use a cream product versus a powder product. Okay, so there's that. Now we need the highlight, which I am using the City Color Glowing Complexion. I love doing this. Just right there. Dab, 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 dab. Soak it into that skin, super natural looking. Put it on my finger, on my lid. This finger on this lid. So this I just like to give my eyes a little something, you know? It may be no makeup, but doesn't mean you can't give it a little something to perk it up. Know what I mean? Let's grab me some blush. I'm going to use this Balm Springs long wearing blush in Full Swing by the Balm. Who's the Balm? They're the Balm. Just a nice little flush of color. Just to give you a little something on the cheek. A little up here, a little up here, a little down here. And then we take where's the brush I used? Okay, I'm taking this INMO like fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the contour. I'm going to use it just in a crease of my eye in the outer corner. Just give it a little something something. And I'm gonna sweep it underneath. This seriously takes like 5-10 minutes tops, depending on how far you want to go with it. Yesterday, I think it took me like 10 minutes. No, a little less than 10 minutes, because, yeah, I was just like, bam, 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 here we go. And I went and got my nails done. So, yeah. Little on the nose there. Get a little more. Hello. I do have a nose. I don't know if you can see all the flaky skin. It's just something I gotta live with. Just something I got to live with. Alright, now I'm gonna go into the Milani Sunlight Silky Matte 01 bronzer, and I'm just gonna add a little more to that brown shade. And you see that just kind of gave the eyes definition, and the liquid highlight just kind of brightened it a little, you know, make you look awake and like you're somewhat productive today, even though I am not at all productive. Okay, so there's that. Use this, go into the Milani just to furthermore give some color to the face, a little more than that cream did. And just, yeah, dropping. Ding. All right, let's get some eyelash curlers out. Curl some eyelashes. My eyes really have been watering a lot. Alright, just for everyday wear, I'm gonna throw on Wet n Wild Mega Wear, and I'm only putting this on the top just because my lashes are blonde. And if I want to look like I have any lashes at all, I gotta at least just coat them with some type of mascara. So if I had black lashes, I wouldn't be so worried about it, or even brown lashes. But however, blondies born with blonde lashes. Okay, so there's now that. I want to take, I don't think that was the brush I used yesterday. For this, the brush, I went into the Airspun, the Coty Loose Face Powder. Just because I don't want it, you know, getting all over my clothes and stuff. I did it quick. Little powder. Quick little powder down just to keep it all there. Because I didn't use a primer or anything. All I used was some man, I cannot get words out today. I use aloe vera gel. Thank you. Hello. So I didn't use a primer, and I just want to make sure this doesn't come off and it stays all day. So Coty Airspun, sweeping that, buffing that in all over the face. Oh, the face. I'm very strange, guys. Yes, so soft. So soft. And now we finish off with the huge Catrice Prime and Fine. Yes. Gonna melt the powder in. And then bit my lip. And then I just throw on this LA color, lip color in Petal, because it's like a pinky nude. Just to give my lips a little bit of something. So yeah, that, ladies and gentlemen, is my no makeup. What do you think? You think it looks good? Do you? I like it. So I don't look like a hot mess, but I don't look like I sat there for hours doing my makeup, which is a win-win for me. So yeah, woo! That is it for this video. You know the drill. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe so you can get all my videos popping up in your subscription feeds. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag notification nation and be alerted as soon as the videos go up. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you'll come back again for more videos, and I hope you have a wonderful day.